Today I'm reviewing this LED ceiling fan light from HUMHOLD. I thank them for sending me this to review. Let's go ahead and open it up and check out everything inside. This is a 24-inch ceiling fan. It has a 48-watt LED, has 6 different fan speeds, 3 different temperature settings, 2900, 4500, and 6500. It weighs 2.8 kilograms, which is about 6 pounds, a little under 6 pounds. And yeah, let's check it out. Right here. Here's the ceiling. Look at, always good to know how things are packaged. Comes with your remote, mounting hardware, and how to program the remote right there. And the remote also goes on a little stand so you can put it on your wall. Before I go ahead and install this light, I wanted to point out a few things. I'm really impressed at how everything is in there. This motor for the fan is mounted on steel brackets. A lot of them are just like double-sided tape in there and they kind of move around. Nice wires. I wish they could be a little longer. These should be cut a little bit further back, which I'm going to have to do. Nice ground, but look at this. This is going to make install a breeze. It has a little carabiner clip with this steel cable to hook onto your bracket when you wire it up. So I can easily do this with one hand. And also, this ceiling bracket right here, you can see the foam for the insulation on the top. And this is like solid steel, super heavy duty with included ground. A lot of them are a lot cheaper than this. And I just like to point out those little differences because I get sent a lot of lights to review. And you can also see like this wire here, zip tied in, super flush, has this sheath around it. This is very high quality. What separates it from other ones. This is very nice. So I want to put the wires, thread them through right here. Of course, you know, turn your circuit breakers off, light switches off, test your electricity, make sure it is all off, always be safe, and don't drop your screws. I am not an electrician, and screw everything up. Not too tight. You can see there's plenty of different slots for whatever size box you have. There's a little ground right there. Okay, so now we want to unhook our carabiner. Got that all down nice in there. Shove all this back up into the box. Here, just gonna hook this up, and twist it to the side, and get our screwdriver and tighten it all up. So here is the light all installed. Very easy to install. You can see it has these little lines that go down it. Little chrome in the center, reflective. You can see the fan up there. Really nicely put together light. Here's the remote. Basically, to pair the remotes, all you do is you turn on the light switch and then you hold down this button right here within 5 seconds. You got to hold it down until it beeps within 5 seconds. I'm going to try to do that right now. Hear it beep. Now it's programmed. I now have the fan on. You can see there are 6 different settings for it, 6 different speeds, and you can reverse it with this button up here. With the light, we can go ahead and we have a timer. We can dial dim it, brighten it, and we can change the illumination as well. Overall, very quiet too. Hear that? Let's put it up to, it's powerful. This is as high as it goes. 6. Still very quiet. You can see it's not shaking or anything like that. Looks very well balanced. Lots of good detail. You see all the ribs here on the light. Let's good look at the ceiling fan working. Not really shaking at all. Cool light, and I like how it illuminates this lower part right here. Kind of makes it look like a very, very matte kind of gold. Wouldn't really call it gold, but like when you turn it off, it looks white. Turn it back on, and it kind of gives it like a little bronzish gold look. Pretty cool, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.